Well, when you say church, it's no longer just bishops. Yeah, the church is the community of the people of God. So the presence here of many lay people is very encouraging for me. Yeah, hindi kami nasa forefront. No? Ang mga laiko ang dapat nasa forefront ng national transformation. No? That I am glad that people are waking up and responding to the gospel and the social teachings of the church because young people deserve a better life. Yun lang.
What do you think the government should do after this poll?
Ayun nga, take very seriously the investigation. Prove their sincerity, no? Kasi sumumpa sila sa konstitusyon. Ang gobyernong ito dapat sumunod sa konstitusyon. Noon pa man, dapat ibinuwag ng political dynasties. No? Ang hirap, ang mga mismong nasa legislatura natin ay mga political dynasties din. Paano yan mabubuwag? Isang buong kultura yan. Kaya dapat naman, feed the people's anger. The outrage is really overwhelming and overflowing. Be glad that we are doing it in a very peaceful way. No? And we hope it will be consistently peaceful. But we're making a strong statement na hindi na pwedeng paulit-ulit lang. Dahil nangyari na ito before, tapos mamaya it gets shelved and it gets forgotten, balik na naman tayo sa dati. Wala tayong knowledge. No? But this time, I think we will not take it sitting down. Yeah? Okay.